Good morning, children. Yes, hope you understood the concept of singular and plural, right? So, we have to add s and es to the words. Okay, I have given you the rules, right? எங்க s போடணும் எங்க es போடணும்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன்ல. So, you have to put s where it is required and es where it is required. Okay, fine. Okay, so today we are going to see one new topic. Okay, that is articles. Okay, articles means articles are used to point out or refer to nouns. Okay, so it is used to point out or refer, ஏதாவது ஒரு nouns refer பண்ணுறது point out பண்ணுறது தான் articles. So in articles we have three articles are there. One is a, an and the. Okay, so now we are not going to see the, only we are going to see a and an. Okay, so for you we have two articles, a and an. Okay, so now in articles we have two types. Okay, one is definite articles and another one is indefinite articles. Okay, so now what we are going to see, a and an. So these two are indefinite articles. Okay, why it is indefinite articles means because it do not refer to any particular person or place or a thing. Okay, that is called indefinite articles. Or particular person or a place or things it do not refer. Okay, that is called indefinite articles. Okay, so next, okay, in English how many alphabets we have? We have 26 alphabets. Okay, 26 alphabets. Okay, very good. So in 26 alphabets we have 5 vowels. Okay, you know already, right? What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, these 5 are vowels. The vowels தவிர்த்து the rest of the letters are consonants. Okay, children? Yes. So now where you have to put a and where you have to put an, you are going to see. Okay, then so a comes before singular nouns. A வந்து எங்கெல்லாம் வரும்னா singular nounsக்கு முன்னாடி வரும். The letters, the word starts with a consonant sound. Consonants இருக்கு இல்லையா, a, e, i, o, u தவிர மற்ற letters எல்லாமே என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேன், consonants. So the words which has the consonant sound, before that word you have to put a. Okay, see for example, a rat, a unit, a xylophone. You may ask, u is a vowel, then why do you put a in கேட்கலாம்? Because the word is, the letter is a vowel, u is a vowel, but the sound of u is not vowel, it is a consonant sound. Okay, see a, that is u sound. Okay, umbrella. Okay, umbrella is the sound of vowel. Here you are pronouncing the word as u, unit. So this is not a vowel, it is a consonant sound. So you have to put a here. Okay, a rat, a unit, a xylophone. Okay, next an. An எங்கெல்லாம் போடுவோம்னா, it also comes before singular nouns which has a vowel sound. Okay, vowel sound வர wordsக்கு முன்னாடி we have to put an. Okay, and wherever word starts with the letter h, the first letter should be silent. For example, our, honest, honorable. So இந்த மாதிரி wordsக்கு எல்லாம் the word starts with the letter h, but you should not pronounce the word as our, honor or honorable. So the word, the letter h is silent, so you should pronounce the word as o, our, honest, honorable. So that is a vowel sound, so you have to put an. Okay, children? Then for example, an elephant, an orange and an ink pot. Okay, so these words are starts with the letter vowel e, o and I, so we have to put an in front of the words. Okay, next, okay, this is your exercise in your English book, studio book. You have to circle, read this title. Yes, read each word aloud, circle those that starts with the vowel sound. Okay, vowels என்னென்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேன், what I said, a, e, I, o, u are vowels. Okay, so here 4 pictures are given: owl, umbrella, elephant, giraffe. So in these 4 pictures, what are the vowel sound? Okay, that starts with the letter vowel, you have to circle that picture. Okay, children? Then next, what you have to circle the words with the consonant sound. கீழ இருக்கிற 4 pictures la what are the words starts with the consonant sound, you have to circle those words. Okay, here it is given ant, parrot, sparrow and lion. So in the 4 pictures la the word starts with the consonant sound, you have to circle it. Okay, children? Fine. The next, how to write a sentence using articles. Okay, see, first you have to identify the naming word used and the sentence la where is the naming word you have to identify. Then before that word, what is the article you have to give, whether it is a or an. Okay, and you write the complete sentence. Okay, see, 3 examples are given. The first one is Renu eats an apple. An apple is given. Why it is given an apple? Because apple, the word starts with the letter A, that is vowel, so you have to put an before the apple. Okay, so Renu eats an apple. Okay children, likewise 2 more examples are given. Okay, then as I said earlier, no, the letter U is a vowel. Even though it is a vowel, what is the sound we are getting? Either it is a vowel sound or a consonant sound. Based on that, you have to put a and an. Okay, as I said before, see, here it is given a unicorn, a university. Even though the word starts with the letter U, you have to put a because the sound is consonant sound. Okay, and engalam podona umbrella, a. Okay, that is vowel sound. Here U it is given. U is an university. We pronounce the word as university, unicorn, uniform. So in this case you have to put a because the sound is a consonant sound. Okay children, yes. The next thing is in your in English studio book 1.8 is your activity. So you have to see the things around you and you have to write 5 sentences using the articles a and an. Okay, you have to see the singular nouns and you have to write any 5 sentences using articles a and an. Okay children, fine. Then in your companion book you have 2 more exercises. It's very easy, only you have to put a or an. Okay children, okay fine. So this is your self work, that is I have given you in brief. So you go through it and as soon as possible you post your works in the app. Okay children, bye bye, see you in the next class.